Yeah. Oh, that's what we want. Nice.
Anybody want it? Where's the donation box?
We're not going.
No, it's from this table. From this table. There's honey from New Zealand. All right. All right. We might have to. Where's the donation box? Yeah, it's got a route.
It's over here, Dad.
I thought you wanted it as a prize. Okay, where's the box?
Right over there.
That's it here.
Matt, give it.
Look, it's taped down. Taped down.
Oh, that's security tape. Here's my dollar. That's the round.
All right.
Thank you, John. Oh, you're welcome. You did a great job. Thank you.
Yeah.
John Lebos. What?
What?
You don't get a prize. Second place. Second place. That's okay. Box around wherever it is. Anything off the table? Pick what you like. But Lieutenant Colonel, retired Lieutenant Colonel. So, but now we have Kathy, Master Sergeant. Anybody?
Anyone get Master Sergeant? And you wonder if were you pulling favors? Like, I get candy. Oh, sorry, Mary.
That's her sister. All right, Master Sergeant. All right. Got American chocolate and Polish chocolate. Or is that Italian? All right, let's see, we got, okay, someone nominated Sue Pastula, wife of party planner. And then we've got Molly Pastula, Internet startup. Okay, so Molly, so there's another, and then the winner is going to be Matt Pastula family from Sci-Fi.
Good pick, honey. I love it.
Okay, the next award is best pierogi or kielbasa. So my mom Juanita brought kielbasa, so you win.
Yeah.
So we also have, there's got to be an award for the Polish sushi. It's a Polish sushi made. So that's an award. You win, come on up. That was great. Polish sushi. Pickle yeah, whatever you like. So I have a couple other entries. Chris Miller, Zuba for pierogi, and Angie Zuba and Julia Pastula. So you guys have the best pierogi.
I did not bring them, but I learned from my mom, and I was thankful. Okay, I want the dress.
And Chris Miller too. You're one of two. And then Angie Zuba. Yeah, you gotta prove the award. Actually, I'm
Well,
gonna
I
try.
just made, I have a few frozen. Rick had some when he was here. I had a few more frozen. I made them at Easter one home.
How far do you live?
Michigan.
That's not too far. Brought the most food. Carol bought a lot of the food that was here and brought it, so come on up. Thanks. She knows what she wants. Alright, so we've got. Oh yeah, actually that's tall. That's fine, let's do tall. Brett or Diego? Get him up there, stand up next to him. Diego! Brett! Come on up here.
Tallest.
Pretty tall.
Who's tallest? How tall are you?
You know what, you're taller
Hey, John, I think all of the in-laws have got cold in this
Who doesn't want to be?
Kind of east of Krakow, closer to Russia. But anyway, be that as it may, I'm having coffee with a friend of mine in Allen Park and McDonald's. His name was Adam Zanowski, okay? And I just happened to be talking to him, and we were talking, I was talking to him, I said, where are you from? He said, I live on Waldo, you know? And I said, well, you know, my mother's name was Pastula. And he looks at me, he says, you're kidding me. I said, you know any Pastulas that lived on Waldo? I said, yeah, they're kind of, you know, Churchdale cousins of mine, okay? Which was Michael and John and Jane, Anna, and Joe, okay? And they used to always come over to my grandfather's house because Michael, he was Mark's son. And my grandfather helped bring him over, and so they always came over, okay? Anyway, make a long story short, this fella, Adam Zanowski, knew the Pastula family. The name of the town was Glokov. Now, there's several Glokovs in Poland, but this one was situated east of Krakow, and it's GLOGO something. So in case you didn't know that, that's where the Pastula family started. So I just wanted to share it with you. I never knew, and then here I am talking to a guy having coffee with. He was from the, and he knew the Pastula because he knew the whole family in Pastula. So a little dinky town. One more little thing. The lady across the street moved in, and her dad grew up in the West Side, went to Mackenzie High School. He lives in Poland. He's retired from GM, and where does he live? And he knew the Pastula family. Poor guy passed away, but here, lady, across the street, her dad, living in Poland, retired there and knew the Pastula family from that particular region. Anyway, bit of trivia. You know that, you still have to try.